Well, that's Jeffrey in there. He's only stalled it out a couple times. I figure I'd take a video record of it now. There we go. We're gonna try the races. We're gonna try the races. Here we go. We're gonna hit the reverse, you know. We need to race for the first, you know, reverse here. It's gonna be great. Watch, I bet he stalls it. He's only been working on this car for like 3 years. It's got a brand new clutch in it. Let's get some abuse on it. Oh, oh, I hear things. I hear things happening. Oh, reverse happened. He's in gear. Holy shit. It worked. I think he's gonna make it. He's only got to get, no, don't hit the bird pole. All right, now you got to go to first. Here we go, we're into first. Race again, let's race. Nobody knows you're racing but you in that car. And he's off. Holy shit, he made it. Yes, that's right, he's got a tow hitch on this vehicle because, you know, reasons. And he knows how to use a blinker. This is what's going to be on the road facing everyone. Congratulations, people. Another new driver in a stick shift that's older than he is.